Hey guys, today I'm going to give you some advice that will save you a ton of hassle and headache if you don't already know about traction boards. So we had a beautiful camping spot until the weather took a turn for the worst. Bad weather was not in the forecast, no rain or anything. All of a sudden it downpoured for about an hour and they changed the forecast to rain for the next couple of days. Unfortunately, our only choice was to leave before it got worse as we had a wedding to work. Our camping spot was a steep incline down some Missouri dirt trails that once it rained like it did was nothing but mud and super deep ruts that the water made as it was rushing down the hill. I literally had mud up to my wheels and I knew the longer we stayed, the worse it was going to get. I have roadside assistance, but in a situation like this, they will not help because you're more than 10 foot from the roadway. Luckily, we have Bunker Industries traction boards as our van is only two-wheel drive and does not have a winch. We have brand new Westlake all-terrain tires, but once a tire started to spin in the mud, you couldn't even see the tread. And if you don't know, we have a ton of weight in the van, which did not seem to help. We tried to get out for about 15 minutes before I thought, I'll use the traction boards that I've never used, nor did I think they'd even work. I'm the guy that thought, why do people mount those on their vehicles? Now that I've learned my lesson, I will never not keep them with me or in the van. I highly advise if you don't have a winch bumper or four-wheel drive, these are a must. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, arnold.escapades@gmail.com, and subscribe to see more how-tos and more content from Off-Grid Camping. Thank you all for watching, and feel free to give us a follow on social media over at Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.